There is nothing more annoying than wrapping a wire only to have the tape peel off or get gooey 2 days later. It's dangerous and looks messy. I got tired of guessing which rolls were actually sticky and which were junk, so I bought the top 5 electrical tapes on the market. I tested them for stretch, stickiness, and heat resistance to find the one that actually holds up. Product number 1, Amazon Basics Electrical Adhesive Tape. I started with the Amazon Basics 6-pack. When I first held a roll, it felt pretty standard, not too thick, not too thin. It's definitely designed for the casual DIYer. I really liked how easy it was to tear by hand. I didn't need to reach for my wire cutters every single time I needed a piece, which speeds things up when you're just bundling loose cables behind a TV. Performance-wise, the rubber adhesive is decent. I wrapped a few spliced wires and it held on fine for indoor, room temperature stuff. It doesn't have that super aggressive snap back when you stretch it like the high-end stuff, but for the price, it gets the job done. If you just need a bunch of rolls to throw in your junk drawer for minor repairs or crafting, this is the best budget-friendly option. Product number 2, Professional Grade Vinyl Black Tape. Next, I tested this professional grade vinyl black tape. Immediately, I noticed this felt a bit more robust than the budget option. It claims to be flame retardant and waterproof, so I used it on an outdoor extension cord repair to see how it handled the elements. The stretchiness is solid. I was able to pull it tight around the connection without it snapping. It's rated for up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives me more peace of mind for automotive work where things get hot under the hood. The adhesive is strong, but what stood out was that it didn't leave a massive sticky mess on my hands after using it. If you need something that can handle a bit of rain or heat without peeling off immediately, this is a solid, tough choice for outdoor projects. Product number 3, Scotch Vinyl 700 Electrical Tape. Then I moved on to a brand everyone knows, Scotch, specifically the Vinyl 700. This is their commercial grade tape. When I started wrapping a splice with this, I could feel the difference in flexibility. It conforms really well to irregular shapes. You know how cheap tape creates those sharp, pointy corners when you wrap a bolt? This stuff smoothed right over it. It's rated for up to 194 degrees, so it handles heat well. I found it to be the perfect middle ground. It's significantly better than the generic stuff in terms of elasticity, but it doesn't cost as much as the premium industrial tapes. If you're doing home renovations and want a tape that feels professional and won't flag or unravel inside a wall outlet after a year, this is the reliable workhorse you want. Product number 4, 3M Scotch Super 33 Plus. Now this is the big one. The 3M Scotch Super 33 Plus. Ask any electrician and they'll tell you this is the gold standard. When I pulled a strip off, the elasticity was insane. You can stretch this stuff way out and it fights to return to its original shape, which means it creates an incredibly tight, moisture-proof seal around the wire. I use this in freezing cold temperatures in my garage, and unlike other tapes that get brittle and crack, the Super 33 Plus stayed soft and sticky. It resists everything: UV rays, corrosion, acids. Yes, it costs more for a single roll, but the quality is unmatched. If you are doing critical electrical work like wiring a car stereo or main breaker panel, don't cheap out. This is the one you need. Product number 5, Avery Dennison Electrical Tape. Finally, I checked out the Avery Dennison tape. I got the green version, but they have a bunch of colors. When I handled this, I noticed it felt heavy-duty, similar to the industrial stuff. The color coding is my favorite part here. If you are wiring a complex system, being able to mark your ground wires with green or your hot wires with red is a lifesaver for safety. It's UL and CSA listed, so it meets all the safety standards. The adhesion was surprising. It stuck immediately with no gaps. I used it to bundle a thick harness of cables and it held tight without drooping. If you need to color code your wiring for safety or organization, or just want a bulk pack of high-quality PVC tape, this is a fantastic value. So if you just need to fix a phone charger, the Amazon Basics is fine. But if you want a permanent, professional seal, spend the extra couple of bucks for the Scotch Super 33 Plus. I've left links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.